Welcome, dear students. Our subject is DSBM. Its long form is Drugstore and Business Management. Their syllabus is situated in two parts. First part is Commerce. In Commerce part, the 8 chapters are there. First is Introduction, second Forms of Business Organization, Channel of Distribution, fourth is Drug House Management, fifth Inventory Control, sixth Sales Promotion, seven is Recruitment, Training, Evaluation and Compensation to a Pharmacy, and 8 and last is Banking and Finance. It is a first part of our DSBM syllabus, Commerce. Second part is Accountancy. In this accountancy part, 6 chapters are there. First chapter is Introduction to Accounting, second is Accounting Concept and Conventions, third is Recording of the Transactions, fourth is Trial Balance, fifth is Financial Statements, and sixth and last is Budgeting. First introduce your first chapter, Introduction. In the introduction, the first point is the commerce, means what is the commerce, their definition of commerce, their problem of commerce are there. Then trade, what is a trade, their role of trade in transport, insurance, banking, their activity of trade, and then economics, what is different type of economics, their activities. Then next point is pharmaceutical management, and last point is the industry. What is the classification of industry, then classification is based on size and investment. This classification based on the types of good produce are the last point of our first chapter of introduction. Then the second chapter is forms of business organization. What is the forms of business organization? Is the business organization is 4 forms are there in this chapter. 4 forms. What is the 4 forms? First is a sole proprietorship, second form is a partnership, third is a joint stock company, fourth is a cooperative society. All their advantages, their features, disadvantages are there in this chapter of 4 organization. And then the third chapter is the channel of distribution. In the channel of distribution, what is channel of distribution? From the producer to the consumer. What is the channel to goods transported by this channel? What is the channel? Manufacturer to consumer. There are middleman is the manufacturer, retailer, consumer. Then manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, consumer. Then third is a manufacturer, distributor, wholesaler, retailer, and last is a consumer. There is a middleman. What is a middleman? Distributor is a middleman, wholesaler, retailer as the middleman between the manufacturer to the consumer to transport their goods are there. It is a channel distribution. In this chapter are study of the retailer, wholesaler, manufacturer, types of retailers, retailer, departmental store are there, multiple shops, then mail order business, consumer cooperative store are there, study of in this chapter are study. Then fourth is the drug house management. In drug house management, the study of this chapter is the layout of drugstore, means a medical layout of our medical, their size, their documentation, which document are required to situate in the or start the retail counter of our medical or drugstore. Then purchasing, then tender concept, contract concept, then storage concept. What is the codification of various items of drugstore? Codification means the methods of arrangement of the drugs, alphabetical method, mnemonic method, numerical method, decimal system, block system, combination system are there. Then pricing of material, then legal requirement of price control of bulk drug and formulation are there. Then fifth chapter is the inventory control. In this chapter, the inventory means the raw materials or all the materials to situate in the drug house or any business. For example, the lubricants, spare parts, maintenance money, then essential material, furniture, all their material are the inventory to need of our the organization or the drugstore. Are there techniques of inventory control? Means Techniques means the in techniques the first is the ABC analysis, means the distribution of the inventory, means high cost inventory, low cost inventory, middle level inventory are classified in the ABC analysis. Are the classification of ABC: economic order quantity, perpetual inventory system, review of slow and non-moving items, input output ratio, setting of various levels, use of material budgeting are there in the inventory control or study of our this point. Then the sales promotion means how to promote our sale, how to promote there the techniques: pre-sample, to give the pre-sample to consumer, then the trading stamp to give the coupons, bumper offer to price contest, fair and exhibitions to increase the sales of our product. Then the seventh chapter is the recruitment, training, evaluation and compensation to a pharmacist. In this the recruitment means the vacancy, or in the means hindi bharti means the recruitment. Then the selection, how to selection process, types of training in the recruitment, evaluation of a pharmacist are there in the chapter. Then the last is banking and finance. In banking and finance, the what types of banking are there? 4 to 5 types are there in a banking. 7 types are there of banking. And then there are, what is the finance? There are financial planning, source of finance. Finance is a very necessary of our business to finance, or their money is a very important in our business. Then the part second is accountancy. In accountancy, first chapter is the introduction to accounting. What is the introduction of accounting? Accounting may be defined as the process of identifying, measuring, recording and communicating the economic events of an organization to the interested user of the information. Means all our business economical events are noted down in the economic section. Means money transaction, all the to give all the bill or the money transaction, their record are in the accounting section are there. What is the branches of accounting are the next point in this chapter: financial accounting, cost accounting, and third is management accounting. The accounting concept and conventions. Accounting concept is the, in this accounting concept the 8 concepts are there: entity, dual aspects, going concern, accounting period, money measurement, cost, revenue realization, matching, variable, objective concept, evidence concept, actual concept are in the 10th chapter of the part second, means the second chapter according to part second. Then third is recording of transaction. Recording of all the money transaction are book are there, or types of accounts: personal account, real account, nominal account are points in the 11th chapter, means the recording of transactions. Then the trial balance is the fourth. In the trial balance are the objective of trial balance. Then the only objective and accounting errors are the important point. Accounting error is a VMP point in the trial balance. What is the types of error? It is a 5 types of error in the accounting error. Then the financial statement is the next point or next chapter in the accountancy part. In the accountancy, balance sheet, trial balance analysis are the definitions. Their calculations are in the financial statement. And the last, non-list budgeting. Their budgeting means the objective of budgeting. Budget is a written plan covering projected activity of a firm for the definite period of time. The written activity for budgeting, there are planning of your business organization. How time or which time or how many time you can spend this object or their main purpose or their aim. This time is given to the first time, this time to give the second aim, or their all the plan to our yearly plan, 1 month to go this plan, second month, third month, fourth month, or the planning or budgeting are in the section. Their objective planning, coordination and control are the objective of budgeting, are the points covered in the accountancy section, are the 6th chapter, and first is the 8th chapter are there. Then the next chapter, next lecture you can teach the introduction. First chapter I can start, and then first point in the first chapter is a commerce. Next time I teach you. Then thank you.